We are Drop, a company based in the Netherlands, and we build industrial-grade 3D printers. We have been doing that for the last 6 years, and we just released our new 3D printer, the Rapid One. The Drop team has a special connection with the reseller Cut2M. They advise us to improve our engineering process and set it up for future demands. With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, we are able to optimize the engineering processes, so the Drop 3D printer could be delivered to the customers faster. At Drop, we are used to working with SolidWorks, and we're familiar with PDM software such as SolidWorks PDM. For us, having a central hub for all our CAD information is invaluable. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform has the same advantages as SolidWorks PDM and also provides the benefits of connecting the dots between all the disciplines within the Drop team. A while ago, we started working on a new printer, the Rapid One. We wanted to create a 3D printer that would meet the demands and wishes from the market. With a tight schedule, we needed a collaborative tool that would allow us to share ideas, data, drawings and much more to make all of this happen.
Before 3DEXPERIENCE, we used SolidWorks, ECAD and MCAD tools, including PDM. That last one was already like PLM, but not a full-fledged experience. With the PLM tool, the total product lifecycle management was done in one system. The data was transferred between different tools and different systems, so the people, the users, were not always up to date on the project status. With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, everything has changed. We use SolidWorks because it's the industry standard, and also because it fulfills all the needs what a mechanical engineer in a product like Drop has. It has the electrical features, it has sheet metal features. All these things come together in a 3D printer. 3DEXPERIENCE for us was a logical next step with SolidWorks. It gives us cross-department collaboration tools in the cloud. The biggest advantage of using 3DEXPERIENCE for us is that we can access our data and work together from any device, any place or any time. For example, at Drop, we have project leaders who can from their home approve drawings for other team members. Another benefit of SolidWorks is that many people use it. It's the standard, and that's why sharing data becomes very easy and there's no translation needed. 3DEXPERIENCE for us is much more than an engineering tool. Yes, it allows our engineers to work together more efficiently, but also allows other colleagues to be involved in the engineering process, sharing data like never before. 3DEXPERIENCE for us speeds up our product development, which is essential in these days. Time to market is really important. By allowing people to connect to the project much earlier and share data, we can save a lot of money and make less mistakes.